Hi guys, I've got a package from AliExpress. I have been feeling really sick, that's why I haven't been doing any videos. This is almost like Christmas. I have no idea what's in here. Oh wow. This is actually from eBay. Holy cow, this came fast. It is, I think it's supposed to be two different highlighters. They look kind of similar to me here. Let's see if I can see. There's an expiry date on it, which you don't normally see. Let me open it up and check. Okay, I don't know if it's picking it up, but this is definitely the shades I ordered. One is like a pearlescent, luminescent pink tone, and it's a highlighter, obviously. And this one has yellow tones. Now, they sell this on AliExpress. I was going to get it there, but once in a while I will check eBay, and the brand to get if you want this from AliExpress, because it looks exactly the same, is called Miss Rose. And it looks really beautiful, and I needed a highlighter because I ordered some highlighter. Just a second. Yeah, I ordered this Ben Nye powder. And in this light, it may look yellow. I don't know, can't tell. But it's actually not. When you put it on your skin, it's not. I know that they sell different shades. So I was looking for a highlighter, and this was going to be it. And although I could use it as a loose powder, it won't be a highlighter. But this, ba-boom, this definitely will work. And I'm not going to do finger swappy test or whatever, because I just don't think that's hygienic, especially with all the dogs I've got, and I'm always touching something gross. I just don't like doing swatches. I mean, I know everybody does it, but I'm really weird like that. Like, the only thing that's going to touch this is going to be a brush when I put it on my face. So I liked, they have several shades of this, and I'll link the seller that I used. The reason I went that route is because it was a little bit on the pricey side that I could see on AliExpress, and this looked exactly the same. So I took a chance, and I'm glad I did. But then AliExpress had a sale on, and it was cheaper. And I was like, of course, Murphy's Law, right? I'm trying to open this one again. Yeah, you can really see the luminescence and the slight pink in this, and then the slight yellow in this one. They come in white. And the next shade up would be, I believe, this yellow. And then there's this pink. Then there's a little bit darker pink. They actually have a full-out gold. They have several shades of brown. And they might even have a darker pink. But I will leave the link. And I'm really happy to get this. I'm really happy that I got this one, because it's exactly what I was looking at. So that was a nice little surprise for today. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great night.